Alright, so the first thing you'll notice that I did with this is I added just a kind of like a hero image on the home page. These are responsive images of various sizes and WebP format. And then I have boilerplate seed data for a bunch of journal entries to make this easier. I have them by default sorted, descending, so date all the way down. You can see I can change the sorting to the ascending, and so they'll give me the most recent. I can sort by book, so we'll do it alphabetically in the opposite direction. Of course, I give little indicators as well, and all of these sorts do combine. I can sort by book. So you can see I can add an additional filter through the notes. So this one talks about Noah, so let's just add Noah. And you'll notice that I also went ahead and removed case sensitivity as well. And so let's just say I sort all notes that have an exclamation point, and that works as well. Or the word to works just as fine. And you can see that the sorting maintains even if I use all four filters: by book, by search, by sorting alphabetically, and by date. If I go ahead and create new, I went ahead and I updated this as well. Just as an example, let's go ahead and say it's the book of Genesis, and I added some verifications. I turned this into a text area input. I also added it to a max of 500 words, just to keep it interesting. And so let's say I max that out to 500 words here. This will actually stop and not let me add a word past that. It'll go back. It also adds a default date and so on. But let's just say test entry, and you can see that right here, the Genesis, when I go ahead and I enter it, it will actually normalize the word like kind of like a title, where it'll properly format it. I can go ahead and edit this, and you can see the forms are all still the same. So test entry 2, and you can see that's formatted. If I go into the details view, I have a nice details view. If I go into the delete, I can absolutely delete it. And as you can see, I changed a bit of the styling to match. I updated the font, kind of added some box shadowing on the grid, and some text decoration on the mouse over of the various links, and some effect on the buttons. And that's it.